How's it going? Today I'm going to show you the daxiga. This is the indoor hydroponic growing system. Picked up on Amazon for around $50. Here's the box. This is the black with Wi-Fi as well. And then on the back we got 15 pods it comes with, 2 grow modes, veggie and flower, 24-hour water pump system, console, operation, 36-watt LED grow light. We got the 10 to 34-inch extendable light pod, simplified control panel, and a temperature regulation as well. And then there's the specs as well if you want to check that out. That's what the package includes. Got the grow sponges as well, and it does come with nutrients A and B, so you mix that with water. And then here's all the stuff it comes with. Little pods. Got the labels and so you could label whatever you're planting. These are the little covers in case you're not using a hole. There's all the instructions and directions. And it doesn't come with seeds, so I actually picked these up on Amazon. It's a herb collection of 12. And then here it is right over here. Power button's right down here. Turn it on. Got the extendable pole right here for the light. And you just attach the LEDs right onto here, this pole. And then right here comes with all these are for the little pods. I put them in already. Then you could lift this whole piece up. And that's where I added the water right there, and it goes up to 5.5 liters, and it has a max fill line as well. And then here's the little covers if you are not using a hole, so you just cover it up right there. Also came with these little dome lids for germination, so once you put the seeds in, put a little dome lid over it and let it germinate. And on the display we have plant, we got the pump, and then we have plant days right here, pump, veggie and herbs. And then we have the temperature, and temperature right here, setup. You could set timer, set the Fahrenheit or Celsius, whichever one you want. And also right here is the where you could fill water up as well. And then to power off. Boom. Pretty sweet little machine. I'm going to test it out and follow up later on. Thanks for watching and have a good one.